morning, dear students of class 8. Welcome to the English online learning class. Today, we are going to take up an important writing skill, that is letter to the editor. Students, where do you see letter to the editor? Now, if you take the newspaper, you will find that there is in the newspaper a letter to the editor column. Now, letter to the editor is written to the editor of a newspaper or magazine. And through this, you express your views to the general public through the letter to the editor. Now, writing letters to the editor is a great way to express yourself on a topic which you are really keen to, which you want to, you are passionate about. And by this, you can influence public opinion. You can tell the public what you want, how you are feeling about a certain issue, and you can have the views of the public also. Now, to know how to write a letter to the editor, just follow these steps. First of all, write your address. You can have your email address also, phone number. Then date and the address of the newspaper office. Then a simple salutation. Sir or madam. Just like you write in a formal letter. And after this, subject, it can be before or after the salutation. Then your letter, the content of your letter, the body of your letter, and finally salutation, a simple close. Now, if this letter to the editor is of 5 marks, the distribution of marks will be like this. 1 mark will be for correct format, 2 marks will be for content, and 2 marks which will be divided into fluency and accuracy. How accurately you write, how correctly you write, that will have 1 plus 1, 2 marks. Now, when you are writing content of the letter to the editor, how creatively you write, for that you will be given marks. Now, let us look at the format of this letter again. First is the sender's address, which include the complete address. Here you can write email and phone number also if required. Then date, below sender's address. Then the receiver's address, that the receiver is the editor of the newspaper. So the editor, and write the name of the newspaper and the address. Then comes the subject of the letter. What would be the subject of the letter? The subject of the letter will include the main thing that you want to highlight on, and it should be in a line. Now, salutation. Now, salutation can come before and after, both are correct. Sir or madam. Then the content, that is the body of the letter. Now, first, in the content, introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter. Second paragraph, you just develop on the topic, give your views on the topic. And the third paragraph, conclude the letter. What you want the editor to do. Any suggestions that you want to give, that you can write in conclusion. And then the complimentary close. The complimentary close would be, say yours faithfully, After that, the sender's name, the person who is sending the letter. His name, his signature first, then name and designation. Now, students need to write the letter to the editor as per the format which we discussed just now. Sender's address, then date, then receiving editor's address, subject of the letter, that is the title, subject which you write in a formal letter, and it should be in a line. It should convey the matter that for which you are writing the letter. Then salutation, sir or madam. It can come before or after subject, both are correct. Then the body. You can divide the body, the content of the letter into 3 paragraphs. First paragraph, introduce yourself, explain the purpose of writing letter in brief. Second paragraph, give complete detail of the matter, elaborate on the matter. Third paragraph, conclude by mentioning what you want the editor to do. For example, you want him to highlight the issue in his newspaper or magazine. Complimentary close. Using thanks, thank you, regards, yours faithfully, like this. Then sender signature, name and designation. So today we have discussed how to write the letter to the editor, format, and how should we work on the content. Tomorrow we are going to take up example of writing letter to the editor. So students, note these points in your English copies. And if you have any problem, you can send a message to me. Fine. Thank you. Take care.